Hello students. Today we are going to learn about operators in Java.
Operators are symbols that perform arithmetical and logical operation on operands and provide a meaningful result. Operands are data values that are involved in the operation. They can be variable or constants. For example, x into 4 equals 32. Unary operator, these operators operate on only one operand. For example, -n, ++n. Binary operator, these operators operate on two operand values. For example, a plus b. Ternary operator, ternary operators operate on three operands. It is also known as conditional operator. For example, C equals, a greater than B a column B. First we can see the arithmetic operators. Are you ready, students? Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculation. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder. Each of these operators are binary arithmetic operators. Because they require two operands to perform any calculation. Unary ++, this operator unary, plus, is written before the operand. These operators result in the same value of the variable. For example, a equals 10, then a plus means 10 unary minus dash. This operator unary also precedes an operand. This operator inverts the value of an operand. For example, a equals 10, then a means -10. Increment and decrement operators in Java. Increment ++ and decrement dash operators are used to increase or decrease the value stored in a variable by one respectively. Prefix increment. When increment operators are applied before the operand, they are known as prefix increment. It increases the value of operand by 1 and then evaluates the expression x equals 10, y equals ++x. Answer for this expression is 11. Prefix decrement. When decrement operators are applied before the operand, they are known as prefix decrement. It decreases the value of operand by 1 and then evaluates the expression x equals 10, y equals x. Answer for the expression is 9. Postfix increment operators. When increment operators are applied after the operand, they are known as postfix increment. It evaluates the expression first, after increasing the value of operand by 1. For example, x equals 10. Y equals x ++. Answer for the expression is y equals 10. Postfix decrement. It evaluates the expression and then decreases the value of operand by 1. X equals 5. X equals x minus into 5. Answer for the expression x equals 25. Relational operators are used to show the relationship between the operands. Relational operators compare the values of the variables and result in terms of true or false. Relational operators are as follows: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal, not equal. Logical operators in Java. Logical operators return a true or false value based on the state of the variables. Mainly three types they are: logical and, logical or, logical not. First, we can see the logical AND operator. See the symbol used for the logical AND. Two AND symbols together. This returns true if the output of both the operands are true. For example, A equals 9, B equals 5. A greater than B and a less than B. Next is OR operator. See the symbol used for the logical OR. Two vertical bar symbols together. This returns true if the output of either operand is true. For example, A equals 10. B equals 12. B greater than A or B less than A. NOT operator. See the symbol used for the logical NOT. Exclamation mark. This inverts the state of the condition. For example, NOT of 5 greater than 8 returns true. Bitwise operators are special types of operators that perform manipulations on binary data. These operators are used for addition, multiplication, shifting, and negating the binary value. Bitwise AND. Please see the symbols used for bitwise and one AND symbol only. Bitwise OR. Please see the symbols used for bitwise OR one OR symbol only. Bitwise XOR. Please see the symbols used for bitwise XOR. Bitwise complement. Please see the symbols used for bitwise complement. Bitwise AND. This operator return the value 1 true if the corresponding bit in both operands is 1. Otherwise the resulting bit is 0. Bitwise OR. This operator returns the value 1 true if either of the two bits in both operands is 1. Bitwise XOR. Also, known as exclusive OR. This operator returns the value 1 true if the two operands bits are different. Otherwise, the result is 0. Bitwise complement. This is a unary operator. The complement operator inverts the value of each bit in operands. That is, if the operand's bit 1, the result will be 0. Next topic is the assignment operator. An assignment operator is used to assign a value of an expression to a variable. It assigns the value on its right side to the variable written to the left of it. A equals 5. Shorthand assignment operators. The expression A equals A plus 1 can be written as, using the shorthand operator as, A plus equals 1. Similarly, B equals B minus 1 can be written as, B equals 1. Now let us discuss the ternary operator. It is also known as a conditional operator. This operator needs 3 operands to perform an operation. For example, int c equals 6 greater than 4 9 to 7 will give the result as 9. If int c equals 6. The next topic for the discussion is bitwise shift operators. It performs bit manipulation by shifting the bits on the right and left side of the data. The bitwise shift operators take 2 operands. Left shift. The left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operands. 6 left shift 10110. Here we are moving the bits 1 position towards the left, so the result will be 1100. Unsigned right shift. The unsigned right shift operator is just the opposite of the left shift operator. Rather than moving bits to the left, it simply moves to the right. 12 unsigned right shift 1100. So the answer is 0110. Expressions in Java. An expression is composed of one or more operands and returns a value as a result. It may consist of constants, variables, and operators. Arithmetic expression. An arithmetic expression includes variables, constants and arithmetic operators. To provide a meaningful result. Pure arithmetic expression. An expression that has all operands of the same data type. For example, b equals a into 5. Mixed arithmetic expression. If an expression contains both integer and real values, then it is known as real arithmetic expression. For example, b equals 5.5 into 4. Boolean expression. Evaluation of expression that results in true or false are called Boolean expression. Statements in Java. Statements form the smallest executable unit and are always terminated with a semicolon. Expression statements. Expression statements are valid Java expressions that are terminated by a semicolon. Assignment statements. The assignment statement is used to assign a value to a variable on the left side of the equal sign equals, with the value of expression given on the right-hand side of the equal sign. Declaration statement. This statement is used to declare a variable. Control statement. These statements are used to control the flow of the program. For example, break continue. Null statement. The null statement in Java is written as a single semicolon. The empty statement does not do anything. Compound statement. A sequence of statements grouped together within a pair of curly braces is called the compound statement. Block statement. A block in Java is a group of one or more statements enclosed in braces. A block begins with an opening brace and ends with a closing brace. Types of errors in Java. Syntax errors. These types of errors occur due to incorrect grammar in the programming language. Common examples are misspelled variable and function names, missing semicolons, improperly matches parentheses, square brackets, and curly braces, misspelled keywords, logical errors. The programs with logical errors may get compiled and executed, but such programs may not give the desired output. Examples of such errors are use of wrong or incorrect formula, an error in the algorithm, or even the wrong selection of an algorithm. Next is runtime errors. Java runtime errors are those errors that occurs during the execution of a program due to some illegal operations performed in the program. Examples of such errors are dividing a number by 0, trying to open a file which is not created, insufficient memory. Data type conversion in Java. Data type conversion is the process of changing one data type into another. The most important feature of data type conversion is to prevent data loss. The data type conversion can be done in two ways. 1. Implicit type conversion. 2. Explicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion. In implicit type conversion, data types of various operands are automatically converted by the compiler. Implicit type conversion converts data types of all the operands to the largest data type present in the expression. For example, int I equals 100. Long L equals I, for this no explicit typecasting required. Float F equals L, for this also no explicit typecasting required. Explicit type conversion. In this type, conversions that are done forcibly by a programmer are called explicit type conversion. Double D equals 100.04. Long L equals, long, of D, here explicit typecasting required. Int I equals, int, of L, here also explicit typecasting required. Please refer the textbook for data type and their size specifications.